Question number 14. What syndrome is a disease? Disease has a symptoms. Let's see what it. DiGeorge syndrome is congenital disease. Congenital disease means the disease before birth that result in the poorly developed, non-functioning thymus gland. Thymus gland, immunity. Yes, it's an immunity. Let's speak about it. Which of the following would be likely problem experienced by a baby with a DiGeorge syndrome? Lack of B cells, lack of antibodies, lack of T cells, lack of macrophage. Thymus gland. Let's go. Thymus gland is affected by thymus gland which produce T cell. So it become immune deficiency. No immunity. So the answer will be lack of T cells. 15. Let's let's think about another disease. Suppose that a new disease is discovered that suppresses the immune system. Immunity again. Okay, which of the following would indicate that the disease specifically affected the B cell rather than the helper of cytotoxic T cells? Let's read the choices. Number 1, a decrease in the production of interleukin. B, decrease of interferon production. C, decrease in the number of plasma cells. D, a decrease in the production of chemokinase. Which of them? What are the decrease the number of plasma cells? Because B cell is the key regulatory cells in the immune system, producing antibody and antigen, supporting other mononuclear cells, and directly contributing of inflammatory pathways. So what is the answer? The answer would be C, a decrease in the number of plasma cells. That's immunity. Okay, let's go about 16. In which of the following choices is the cell correctly matched with its function? Cell has many functions, a group of functions. Let's go. We will speak about the immune cell. Eosinophil produce antibodies. B lymphocytes directly attacked foreign cell. Basophil secrete histamine. T lymphocyte phagocytes bacteria. I don't remember. Let's go to how the cell function. The cell function. Eosinophil ingest the digest pathogen. B, lymphocyte produce antibody. Basophil secrete histamine. That's the answer. TH, lymphocyte activate T cells. So the answer is lymphocyte secrete. Okay, lymphocyte secrete histamine. Let's go about the other question. Cold, flu, disease. What about this? Let's speak about the question. A person exposed to a new cold virus would not feel better for 1 or 2 weeks. They still have a flu. Why? Specific B cell and T cell must be selected prior to the protective response. Maybe. B, it takes up the 2 weeks to stimulate immunological memory cells. memory, immune, maybe. No memory cells can be called upon so adequate response in slow, maybe slow. Yes, slow. It doesn't feel better. Antigen receptors are not in the same as for a flu virus to which she has previously been exposed. Yes, person exposed to the new cold virus. So, no memory cells. No memory cells. Cold, so adequate response is low. He doesn't go better. So the answer, no memory cells can be called upon, so adequate response is slow. Slow. No memory cells are found. Let's go to alternation of cells genome. Genome. What are the genome? Genome is a copies to form a new living organism. DNA. DNA, but here is foreign. The alternation of cells genome by the incorporation of the foreign DNA is called genetic conversion, mutation, transformation, reverse transportation, transcription. Yes, transcription. Let's go about the transformation. Transformation, how is the transformation done? Specific process where exogenous genetic material is directly taken up and incorporated by a cell through its cell membrane. It will enter the cell membrane, then attack the cell and make transformation. So the answer, it will be transformation. 19. Virus. A virus consists of a core surrounded by a protein coat. A core means inside. Inside of virus, RNA? No. Yes. DNA, maybe. Chromosome. The virus hasn't any chromosome inside. Nucleic acid, D. Nucleic acids. What are the nucleic acids? Nucleic acid may be RNA, may be DNA. Let's go. The virus consists of nucleic acid surrounded by a protein. Where is the question? The question about the nucleic acid. Yes, the core is nucleic acid. That's the answer. Virus consists of a core of nucleic acid surrounded by a protein coat. That is the answer. Let's go about 20. 20 speak about mathematics. What is the mathematics here? It is the number of thymine, guanine, and other. Let's read the question first. A short length of DNA molecule has 18 thymine and 18 guanine bases. That's a nucleus base, nitrogenous base. The total number of nucleotide in the DNA fragment is 160, 40, 320, 640. Which of them? We will go to write a mathematical equation. It depends on the number of thymine and guanine, cytosine and adenine. What are they? They are about the nitrogenous bases which form DNA molecule. DNA molecule, short length about it, has 18 thymine and 18 guanine. The total number of nucleotide in the DNA fragmented is, let's calculate. Number of guanine 18, number of thymine 18, because they are different or they are similar. Guanine must be similar to cytosine. G, C are equal in number. 90, and 90. The number of thymine must be equal the number of adenine. 80, 80. So the total number, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine is 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80. They are equal 320. So the answer will be 320. That's C. Let's go about 21. 21 is about bacteriophage. Which is the bacteriophage? What are the bacteriophage? Bacteriophage speak about the virus and bacteria. Are the bacteria attacked with virus? Yes. With a bacteriophage. Let's read the question. Which of the following best describe the bacteriophage genome? The bacteriophage genome. Number A, it's DNA molecule and a head in a protein code. B, DNA molecule only. DNA molecule only. Away. The head and the tail of its protein code. Maybe. Its DNA molecule and the tail of its protein code. Let's go about the bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a monster which attack bacteria. Bacteriophage structure is about protein code and DNA. DNA only. It is the genome. It is a characters. It is a copy of DNA inside it, which attack the bacteria. So the answer will be it's DNA molecule only. 22. What is this figure? Let's remember that's DNA. And this DNA, where they found? Let's read the question first, then we speak about it. Study of the opposite figure that illustrate two forms of DNA molecules, number 1 and number 2. That's DNA and this DNA either. In which the arrow refer to the region where the same biological process occur, and then conclude. What will we conclude? Let's go. What is the difference between the process in 1 and the process in 2? What are the process here? It is make a copy. Copy, replication or duplication. We don't know. Let's speak about it. These are choices. Let's read the choices, then think. Number A, end product of the process. No, they are not different. They are make a copies from DNA. Types of enzyme used? No, there are many enzymes used in the two DNA. Purpose of biological process? No, it will make a copy from them. Let's go start point in the process. How about it? The answer will be start point of the process. This DNA found in the eukaryotic. This DNA found in the prokaryotic. They start from any H point of them. But there are a specific point to start from it. Start point is definitely here in number 2. Let's go about 23. 23 is a segment of DNA. DNA is a double strand, not one strand only or one strand. Now, let's go to the question. In front of you, segment of DNA molecule. Yes, we know. There are segments of DNA. Which of the following exchange leads to the occurrence of mutation? Mutation, difference from the father to the offspring. Let's read. Number A, the nucleotide 4 instead of 2, 4 instead of 2, maybe. Then B, nucleotide 2 instead of 11, 2 from 11, they are away from each other. The nucleotide 11 instead of 8, 11, 8. Then you can see number D, the nucleotide 8 instead of 7. Let's speak about the mutation. What is the mutation? Mutation is a change of DNA sequence. Yes, that's the question answer of it. Of an organism, mutation can result from error. Yes, error in DNA replication during cell division. So, nucleotide 4 instead of 2. 4 instead of 2. They are close together. They are different. There is a mutation. Number 24. Which of the following compound mineral reflect light at high degree? Wow! We left the biology and go to earth science, geology. What are the choices? The first choice is pyrite, calcite, quartz, feldspar. Which of these? They are minerals. Let's speak about it. Luster. Luster is how shiny it. Luster is the way that mineral reflect light. Luster. Are the mineral reflect light? Yes, they are. There are two major types of luster, metallic and non-metallic. What are the difference between the metallic and non-metallic? Metallic, it's shiny, smooth. But non-metallic, it reflects the light in all directions. The metallic reflects the light in one direction only. Mineral with metallic luster is either shiny, smooth, and in one direction of light. It will be smooth, shiny, has many luster, has many. Oh, it's pyrite. Pyrite is a mineral. Yes, mineral, which reflect high light. Okay. What is this? What is this? It's a unique one. What do you describe? They describe about gravel. That's a gravel? Yes. Made of concrete? Concrete? Yes, concrete. Formed of gravel. Let's, what the question asks from? There is a hand specimen for commented grain in front of you. That's picture. It is expected that the dominant size of this grain is, dominant size means the biggest one. That appear in this figure. How about 500 microns, 1,500 microns, 2,500 microns, 100 microns? How I calculate? How I measure it? Let's go to the ruler. How I can differentiate between them? Let's go. Here we have a table. That's the size of these particles. Conglomerate, that's a gravel. Which size of this is very big? Sandstone, 2 millimeter to 62 microns. Quartz, that means sand. Mud, stone, 62 to 4 microns. Less than 4 microns. No, they are big. So it will be gravel. Conglomerate. Yes. The answer it will be 2,500 microns.